YouTube, here's a review on the Astro A30 gaming headset. First of all, I want to start off, Astro, you do a beast headset. Yeah, this headset is real light. It's lighter than the A40s. Has comfortable pads, memory foam on top too. Has a nice Astro design. Hold on, I'll turn around. Astro design there. The speaker tags have Astro on it. I just got them because I didn't want to be walking around with MLG, and they're removable. Just little magnetic. And by the way, you can stick them on fridges, so if you want to, yup. The boom mic, it's alright. Like I'm bending that there, and then it just springs back, so you know it's not very reliable. You have the Astro mix amp, which is USB. Oh, this is connected to the mix amp, goes into the back of the Xbox. You have your little cables here, optical cable into the back of the Xbox. Then you have your chat line all the way going into the controller, so you can talk to online gamers. Then you get the splitter cable, the headset to the splitter cable into the mix amp. You have game, left, and voice, right, and then low, high. I'm just gonna show you how loud they go. So 2 minutes. Just hurry this up. I'll just shoot a gun or something. Right, here's the ACR. I'll change gun and make it to Type 95, which is loud. Right, here's the Type 95 impact. So it's pretty loud. That's on full work, as you can see. And it's on green. I'll try the Dolby. I don't think there's... Thinking about the brake in the Dolby, however, we'll fix that later. So that's pretty it, guys. There's a review on the Astro A30s. I'm going to be doing a music test on it to see how good they are, because I want to bring them out. And I've got some rumours are going around that Astros are better than Beats by Dre, but I don't know. I'm going to have to try them out. So guys, holla from your boy in a bit. Happy Christmas.